First look. The US only has one of these samples, and this is it. It's the new 24-70 f2.8 DG/DN E-mount lens for mirrorless cameras by Sigma. Now it's also available in the L mount for the new Sigma FP and Panasonic and Leica mirrorless cameras. Shout out to Sigma for sending us this sample straight from the factory. So what can you expect from this lens? Before I get into it, remember, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom in Miami, and we publish new videos weekly, so subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified. The Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DG/DN lens is the second zoom lens in the Art series lineup for full-frame mirrorless cameras. This happens to be the E-mount version. They also have an L-mount version for Leica, the Sigma FP, and Panasonic mirrorless cameras. It's also great for advanced shooters. It's a very versatile focal length range, constant f2.8 maximum aperture throughout the zoom. Now, Sigma did offer a 24-70 f2.8 for DSLRs. This is something that a lot of Sony shooters were using with the MC mount adapter. Now they don't have to use that mount adapter. Fits directly onto the camera. It's specially designed for the mirrorless system, so the lens itself is much smaller than the one for DSLR cameras. It also is going to focus much quieter than the DSLR version. One thing that I really like with this lens is that the zoom ring is closer to the camera and the focus ring is farther away, which is opposite from what they've had originally. And this, I think, a lot of photographers are going to like and prefer. The focus is extremely silent. This works well with eye detect and face detect on the Sony mirrorless cameras, especially when shooting on the new A7R4. It was a pleasure shooting with this lens for the short time I've had it so far. And I think photographers are going to really enjoy this lens. Since this is part of the Art series lineup, you know that you're going to get a very robust build, and I can tell you right now, this is a very solid lens. It's weather sealed, which is going to allow you to shoot in many different types of environments, which is perfect because this has a very versatile focal range. You can be shooting landscapes at 24, and then if you want to shoot environmental portraits, it works for that. And you can zoom all the way into 70 millimeters, which is a great focal length for standard portraits. With the new optical design, you can actually get closer with this 24-70. In fact, at 24 millimeters, you can get as close as 7 inches and about 1.25 feet when you zoom all the way into 70 millimeters. So this is a great walk around lens. Again, most professionals are gonna have this lens or recommend this lens if you're looking for an all-around zoom lens for your Sony mirrorless camera. It's going to be available later this month at a price of $10.99, so make sure to keep an eye out for the 24-70 DG/DN lens from Sigma. Even I tested out on the A7R4. Focus is completely silent. Eye detect, face detect works really well, and looking forward to doing some more in-depth testing with the 24-70 f2.8 DG/DN from Sigma. If you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. And if you're in the Miami area, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.